I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You've charged the Rode wireless Mi units and fit the foam windscreen. Now power both transmitter and receiver. Pairing happens automatically when you power them near each other, so turn on the receiver on your camera and the transmitter on your talent. Once done, clip the transmitter 6 inches from the mouth and confirm the receiver's green link LED. Make sure your camera recognizes an external microphone and that you've selected the correct input type with the TRS or TRRS adapter. Now you're focused on levels and monitoring. Start by recording a voice test at normal speaking volume while watching your camera meters. If the input clips, lower the camera's mic gain. If levels are low, increase gain but avoid peaking above -6 dB to preserve headroom. Use headphones on the camera or a portable recorder to listen for noise, rustle, or RF dropouts. Once satisfied, run a longer test with movement and clothing rustle to ensure consistent quality during the take. You're ready to record. Hit record on both the camera and any onboard backup recorder to create redundant files. During takes, watch levels and keep an eye on the receiver's link indicator. After each take, stop and verify the files play back cleanly. If you encounter audio dropouts or static, first move the transmitter closer or change the receiver's orientation, then check for interference and swap batteries if LED indicators show low power. Finally, relabel any problem files so you can fix them in post.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.